What it do, what it do. It's Hannah Mussette here with the Dookie Twists. You already know the vibes. Hey everyone, it's Hannah Mussette here, and today I am changing up my hair routine because, let's just be honest, I'm just... So today I'm super excited because I am bringing you guys a video of me blowing my hair out, and I haven't blown my hair out in about 8 months because I'm trying to stay away from heat. My hair has grown a little bit. I know I need a trim, and if you haven't watched my trimming video, go ahead and click the little eye icon because you're missing out, okay? So this is the first time I'm using my Revlon, what is this called? A Revlon brush dryer thing. I saw Natural 85 use hers and I had to get mine, so I'm gonna leave her video down below that I saw for using this, and she actually inspired me to do my blowout, so super exciting. My hair is washed, it is clean, it needs conditioning. The products that I'm going to use today is my leave-in conditioner from African Pride. Love that leave-in, by the way. And then I'm using my blow dry lotion and thermal heat protectant spray from Macadamia. I love Macadamia. I don't care what anybody says, I will blow a bag on their deep conditioner, okay? They are worth blowing a bag over. So I'm going to start unraveling some twists. Here's my hair tie. So I'm gonna start unraveling my twists. My twists are damp. They're not soaking wet, but they're the right amount of dampness you need for it to be blow dried without breakage. This much leave-in conditioner. Rub that in this section. I should probably detangle my hair. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this blow dry lotion, about this much, and put it in my section. I really just want to make sure my hair is protected with every hair strand and nothing is going to get damaged. And then I'm gonna throw on that thermal protectant spray. Next, pray for me because this is the first time I'm using this and I'm excited, I guess you could say. Okay, so anyways, child, I had to pass that through my hair like 10 times, and you all saw that. Like, it took a while for this to get like this, and this isn't even the final form I want it to be in. I do think I used a little bit too much of the blow dry lotion, but that's okay. We live and we learn. But we definitely like left some sections out. So I'm gonna continue going over next section, and I'll let you know how I feel. Because right now it's just like, this ain't it, baby. This is not it. But my face at first when I used this was like this because it hurt to comb it through for some reason. I don't know if it's because my hair is not detangled too much, but this is as detangled as it gets, so I'm not following. She long, she getting some inches, or whatever. Yeah, I actually like this. Hold up, who is she? She got a little bit of inches and don't know nobody, period. Who are you? Who are you? My hair still feels moisturized, which is good. So I'm gonna continue doing this. hair definitely needs a trim. So this is what my hair is looking like after I blew it out. I trimmed a lot of hair off, like a lot. So I shaped up my hair. It's something new, it's something different for me because like I said, the last time I blew out my hair was back in January, I think. So it's been a while, but I'm glad that I cut my hair and styled it and blew it out. So now I'm about to go take pictures, as you can see, but I just wanted to update you all and let you all know that this is the final look, and I hope you all enjoyed this short tutorial. That's it. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.